Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and this is my point of view on the Nutricost Potassium from Potassium Citrate. So one thing about me is that I take my supplements very seriously. I know that at times I cannot get all the nutrients that I would like to get from my foods, so that is the reason why, along with my diet, I follow taking supplements. This one by the brand Nutricost is amazing for several reasons. One of them being the fact that this presentation has 500 capsules. And if you take a look at the label, you can see that the suggested use is of 1 capsule per day, meaning that you would be getting a total of 500 servings from this presentation, which in my opinion is amazing and it is a pretty good deal. The capsules are easy to swallow, and as you can see on the label, what you're getting is potassium from potassium citrate. So you definitely know based on the label exactly what you're getting. And that is my point of view.